Hi there, my name is Viviana and I'm a second year PA student at Augusta University. My classmates and I know better than most people that applying for PA school can be a little intimidating, but we're here to tell you that it's absolutely worth it. I know that I had a lot of burning questions when I was choosing what program I wanted to go to, so we put together a short video to share some perspectives and some questions that we thought were important when we were applying to PA school. And without further ado, here's Callie to start us off.
Hey y'all, my name's Callie and I have a quick question for BB. BB, what types of clinical experience do students in our program typically have? And in your opinion, do you think that clinical experience helps them prepare for the difficulty of our curriculum?
Yeah, so I think students in our program have a pretty wide variety of clinical experiences. I know that a lot of students had worked in the medical field or in healthcare before applying to school, maybe as EMTs, nurses, medical assistants, scrub techs, scribes, whatever it might be, while a lot of other students had more volunteer experiences. For example, I worked as a volunteer medical interpreter for an organization called Remote Area Medical, and I also volunteered at a local clinic here in Chattanooga. I definitely think that these clinical experiences were really helpful, and not necessarily because of the technical skills that I learned or the medical knowledge that I gained, but just because they made me a more well-rounded person, and overall it just made me want to become a PA even more. My question is for Kende. Kende, why did you choose Augusta for your PA program? And what is one thing that you love about Augusta that you weren't expecting when you decided to go to school here?
Hi, my name is Kenny Femi. One of the main reasons why I chose Augusta as my PA program is the fact that this program is very cost effective. Augusta PA program provides very affordable PA education for students compared to other schools in Georgia as well as across the Southeast. And one thing I love about Augusta that I didn't expect going to PA school is how much I see this year as my home. I have made so many friends since I've been here, and a lot of my classmates have become some of my closest friends. Hey Tori, my question for you is what can I do to prepare for PA school?
Great question, Kende. First off, to prepare for PA school, it was important for me to research the schools that I was courting as a prospective student. A great place to utilize for this program is the Augusta University's Master of Physician Assistant program webpage. If you found this video on our webpage, you're off to a great start. You can also easily find it by going on to Google and typing in Augusta University Master of Physician Assistant program. Next, work on navigating through general admissions criteria. There you can find the program's requirements including GPA, prerequisite courses needed, community service requirements, hands-on clinical care hours required, information about CAHS testing, our accreditation, faculty and staff, scholarships, awards, and much more. You can then work on making yourself a checklist to make sure you are achieving all of the program's requirements. You can also find our program statistics there over the past years. It is very important to be aware of prospective schools' admissions criteria and PANCE pass rates. Second, another thing important to remember when preparing for PA school is that you will have to fill out a CASPA application. Augusta University utilizes their own application through Augusta University systems. Make sure you can find this application and fill this out on top of your other CASPA applications. Applications for our school usually open in the late summer and close beginning of fall. Lastly, you want to remember, once you have all your applications in, relax, breathe, and take time to enjoy with your family, friends, pets, who, and whatever brings you joy. Keep in mind, this is a long and an amazing journey you are embarking on. Tola, my next question is for you. How is the Augusta University Physician Assistant Program curriculum organized?
Our curriculum here at Augusta University's PA program spans for a total of 27 consecutive months. During the first 15 months, you are in what is known as the didactic portion of the program. Upon matriculation in that May, you will start out Monday through Friday in courses such as anatomy, physiology, introduction to pharmacology, and genetics. Then, in fall into the following summer, you are in your clinical medicine courses where you are taking on classes such as cardiology, dermatology, pulmonology, and many more. Upon conclusion of the didactic portion of the program, you will then move on into clinical year, which spans for a total of 12 months. Here you are out on rotations, rotating in specialties such as family medicine, surgery, internal medicine, and pediatrics, just to name a few. My question for you, Callie, is if you could give your pre-PA self one piece of advice, knowing what you know now as a PA student, what would it be?
Hey Tola, so I would say that my biggest piece of advice is to have confidence in your knowledge and abilities. This is something that can help you stand out in interviews, perform well on tests, and interact with patients in the future. You work extremely hard at every level of the journey to and through PA school, and you deserve to have confidence in that work and be able to look back and be proud of what you've accomplished, no matter what stage of the journey you're currently at.
If you enjoyed this video, tune in to our next live information session. You can find more information about that on our website or on our social media. Thank you.